Hey there, fellow mystical adventurers and wise oracles. Do you ever feel like you possess a connection to a world that expands beyond the physical realm? Are you drawn to understanding the deeper meaning of life and helping others navigate their own personal quests? If so, join me today as we embark on a journey to understand and uncover the enigmatic and fascinating world of the INFJ, the Unifying Mystic. Grab your spellbooks and magical artifacts, and let's begin. The INFJ, or Unifying Mystic, is one of the most otherworldly and empathetic personalities you'll encounter in the realm of geek psychology. Deeply intuitive, INFJs innately understand the emotions and motivations of others, often before that other person can even put it into words themselves. These insightful guardian angels work to bring harmony and unity to the world. Guiding souls towards personal growth and transformation is one of the key skills of INFJs.
Cognitive functions breakdown.
Imagine the parts of your personality as an RPG questing party on an amazing quest and adventure to explore the terrains of your mind. We've all got a colorful cast of 8 different characters that represent 8 different approaches to interacting with life. The characters that you focus on most and the role that they play will define the narrative arc of your mental odyssey. With the RPG model, leveling up means analyzing your character's stats and sharpening their skills. To better understand the magical powers of the INFJ, let's explore their cognitive functions. First, the hero, introverted intuition, NI, or the visioning mystic, focused on grasping underlying meaning and connections of abstract ideas. NI, this mystic character, allows INFJs to see patterns and potential future outcomes with almost supernatural clarity. 2. The mentor, extroverted feeling, FE, or the unifying envoy. This character enables INFJs to understand and empathize with others' emotions and, more specifically, their values, radiating warmth and compassion that mends emotional wounds and strengthens relationships. 3. The sidekick, introverted thinking, TI, or the analyzing adept. Supporting the INFJ's intuition, TI, the adept, works to logically dissect and refine the insights gained through NI. So the mystic and the adept are talking back and forth, and the adept is refining those insights with a logical lens. Ensuring that the sorcery of the mystic remains grounded in the realm of reason is the main job of the adept. 4. The maverick, extroverted sensing, SE, or the engaging adventurer. Though often elusive, SE, this adventurer character, opens the door for INFJs to connect with and savor the present moment while still maintaining their mystical roots. They're able to be fully present in the now, and this allows them to notice what is going on around them in the sensory world. Picture the wise Gandalf from The Lord of the Rings, who wields both spellcraft and empathy with equal skill. Or perhaps Professor X from X-Men, who harnesses a psychic ability to understand others and to unify mutants for the greater good. These iconic characters embody the magical essence of the INFJ, always attuned to the unseen and yet still delicately using their wisdom to improve the lives of those around them. Even magical beings like INFJs need the courage and determination to level up. So to grow as a unifying mystic, try these strategies. First, set boundaries. Remember, INFJs, that nurturing your own well-being is as important as helping others. Establish healthy boundaries and ensure that you are maintaining your emotional energy reserves. Second, embrace the present. Take time to practice mindfulness and enjoy the beauty of the moment, clearing the magical haze to connect with the tangible world. This gives your mystic some time to rejuvenate and refresh, and then come back with its strengths renewed. Third, strengthen critical thinking. Exercise your analyzing adept's skills to logically question your insights and to maintain balance in your world altering endeavors. But make sure that you seek the counsel of the unifying envoy, your extroverted feeling, first, and then supplement that with the adept's wisdom. And so our ethereal journey comes to an end, leaving us wiser and more connected to the otherworldly realm of the INFJ, the unifying mystic. If this exploration resonated with you and maybe you're more curious now about your own magical identity in the world of geek psychology, then go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and join our ever growing guild of adventurers and mystics. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, quest on and use your personality type and your character class to the advantage of yourself and the world.